Welcome to another holiday card series video. Keep watching to see how to make 3 different variations of this season's greetings card. Shown here are the supplies that you need to make this card, and for the various variations, basically they build upon themselves. So for the simplest, all you need are the pens, and then depending on the rhinestones you want to add, you just need various colors for that. Here I've shown the black ones, but again, you could really customize this using any different type of rhinestones you wish. The first step, as always, is to take your pencil and draw out the design. Once you've completed that, take your gold pen and simply trace over and fill in all of the letters. This is the Gold Recollections pen from Michaels. They come in usually a set of 3, gold, silver, and copper, and I absolutely love these pens. The next step is to take your thin black pen and outline all of the letters. This is a fairly time-consuming step, however, I find that it really makes the letters stand out and pop, and I find even the video doesn't pick up on that here. But again, it's well worth it if you have the time and want to do this. So this is the base card. You can simply leave it like this if you want a simpler version of this season's greetings card. Or if you want to add a little bit of sparkle, you can place some rhinestones on at various points in the card and places on the letters. Here's one version with black rhinestones. Or if you wish, you could also use clear rhinestones, which gives it a very different look. So again, here you can see what it looks like with the clear rhinestones. And simply, if you decide to choose rhinestones, whichever color you decide, perhaps you choose a mixture of both, or maybe you end up going with red or green or some other festive color, all you need to do is use your glue and glue them on. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the several variations of this card and how you could easily customize it to your liking. I hope you try making one of these versions yourself. Season's greetings and happy holidays.